How to attract a lot of money in your life. Money is, I think, the biggest important thing that everybody wants in their life. So let's get started. There's option 1, 2 and 3. You need to select one option which attracts your intuition. Okay, let's get started. Just in case you chose option number 1, this card actually says that in order to attract money, you have to make sure that you be where you are. Okay, you have to make sure that you be where you are. You use your intelligence, you use your brilliance, your smartness and everything in the work that you are doing. So be where you are means, yes, whatever job you are doing, be in that job. If you are doing a business, stick to it, continue. And yes, I'm not saying that if it is not going well, continue doing what's crappy. You have to make sure that you stick to your business, but try different things to in order to succeed. Okay, so this is what the cards say. Just in case you chose option number 2, this card actually says you need to choose your strength. You have to be strong. You have to know that being strong is going to help you to get how much ever money that you want in your life. Yes, money does not come to a weak person. Money does not come to a weak soul. Money always chooses a good and strong soul, so that it wants to stay in your life. Okay, so yes, you need to be strong. Just in case you chose option number 3, this card actually says I think you already have money. Okay, now you may say, okay, where is that money? It's the family money that you have. Okay, and I'd like to say, don't be ashamed of it. Don't feel little because of this, because I'm telling you that, yeah, you have family money. Not everybody has family money. Okay, not everybody has family money. Even no matter how much money you have, you could be just like a normal person, but you have definitely more family money than others that you know of. And this card says that you just need to value it. You just need to use it wisely. And yes, make sure that it stays in your family. Make sure that you keep a hold on to it. Also, if you feel that family does not have money, then maybe the family has a business that is bringing in money. Okay, so make sure that you hold on to it. So yeah, so that is it for today's reading. If you want to have this reading in a much more detailed manner, yes, contact me, WhatsApp me on the number given on the screen. And if you are interested in learning tarot, in giving amazing life transforming readings, then also you are in for a treat. Comment below, so I will share the link of my class. Yes, my class is where you will be able to learn tarot. You will be able to do readings flawlessly, right? You'll be able to do flawless readings, and you will be able to give life transformational advice along with earning money. Yes, you will also be certified. Okay, so yes, until next time.